Okay, howdy there guys. Today I had a request for a, video on how to use OBS, Open Broadcasting System, and so today I will be showing you how to. So how you do this is you come to Safari or whatever thing you use, Chrome, anything, and you put OBS, and well, that's not usually what comes up, but let's see here. Let's see if I can just put OBS in there. So OBS, then I'll try doing that. Okay, and then it should pop up with this right here. You press on OBS Studio, and then you can either, I don't know, wait. I wonder, maybe, I don't know if it will work for an Asus computer. But it might. It depends if you've got like Windows and stuff like that, but Open Broadcaster software, same thing. So you press on one of these, and then I think I'll just, well, yeah, you press on it and then it downloads it and you click on it and then it asks you to do all these things and stuff, and then it should, if you do this, if you've got an Apple computer, it should pop up right here or over here. And so you click on it, and then the way you use this is you do right click, and then you go to add, and then they've got all these options right here, and it goes on forever right here. It's really cool, so it just goes on forever. And so you go to add, and so display capture displays what you've got over here and stuff, and then I would just use display capture. Video capture is different. You click on that, and then you need to let's see here. Let's see here. So you just go OK, and then you just see what one do I want to do. And you press on that right there, then you press OK, and then your face should pop up on the screen right here. So that's how you use this. Let me just remove that. So this is what I like to use. Wait one second. So wait one second. I kind of messed this up. Let me put display capture back on here. Okay. I just put display capture back on here. I don't know how to use all of these things yet, but if you want to stream, it's really easy. What you do is you connect your YouTube account with OBS, and then you press start streaming, and then you stream. And so that is the basics to using OBS. So thanks for watching if you watch this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.